Hi, my name is Matthew Christian from Tampa, Florida, and on behalf of Expert Village, today I'd like to talk to you about the proper use and maintenance of a pressure washer.
As far as maintaining your pressure washer, this particular model again is electric. There's not much to maintain in the motor. It's all pretty much a sealed unit. Unless you're an electric motor specialist, there's not much that you need to know here. But as we did mention earlier, the pump does require maintenance from time to time, and basically it's just changing the oil. Just periodically or before each use, check the oil level, and from time to time you will find it necessary to change oil, as it will go bad. Gas-powered pressure washers, on the other hand, they require a little extra maintenance. Other than the pump, from time to time you'll need to change the oil in the gas-powered motor of the pressure washer. And also it may be necessary from time to time to replace the spark plugs and also to clean or replace the air filter. Additionally, on the electric pressure washer, you'll want to take some time, I would recommend before each use, to inspect the electrical cord. Just take a moment to manually inspect the cord, make sure there's no frays or cuts in the cord. This is important because, again, we're working with water, and we wouldn't want to handle our cord and get shocked. So another good habit is to inspect your cord, make sure there's no frays. Also inspect the cord end. This one has been replaced because the cord end did go bad. One of the ears broke off or was bent or was worn. So I went and bought an aftermarket cord end and replaced it.